Are you tired of getting lost in Klaviyo's dashboard when trying to send your first email? Discover the foolproof 14-click path to create your campaign in under 4 minutes. We'll start in campaigns, select the right audience, add an email with a template, and save everything. Follow along with these simple clicks. To begin, click on Campaigns in Klaviyo. Then go ahead and click on Create Campaign to start a new one. Click Continue to move past this first setup screen. Next, click on Select Audience so you can pick who receives the campaign. Then click on Select a List or Segment to bring up your options. Start by clicking on Email List 1 to choose that audience. Then also click on All Text Message Subscribers 0 to include that group as well. Once both are selected, hit Save and Return to lock in your audience. Now click on Add Message to start crafting the email. Then select Email as the message type. Click on the email template you want to use from the gallery. Then hit Use Template to load it into the editor. Click Save and Return to keep your campaign progress. Then click Save and Return again to finalize. And that wraps it up. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.